Hello students, in this video we will learn the concept of force, energy and equilibrium. So if the potential energy of a particle at any point xyz is given by this, then the force acting on the particle is given by this, where du by dx, du by dz and this are the respective partial differentiation. Remember this thing, these are partial differentiations. Okay, so these are nothing but the partial differentiation, and if the particle is moving along only a straight line, that is say x-axis or y-axis, then it is given by this. Okay, so let us discuss the equilibrium of a particle. So if a particle is in equilibrium, then the net force on the particle will be 0. So minus of du by dx will be 0. Why? Because this is the force. Okay, this quantity gives the force. So minus du by dx will be 0, implies du by dx is 0. So the points where du by dx is 0 are the points of the corresponding equilibrium. Okay, so types of equilibrium. There are three types of equilibrium. One is neutral equilibrium, one is stable equilibrium, one is unstable equilibrium. The condition for neutral equilibrium, for all equilibrium rather, is force must be 0. That is du by dx must be 0. Okay, now if the double derivative d2y by dx square is 0, then we will call it neutral equilibrium, or if df by dx is 0, we will call it neutral equilibrium as well. And if d2y by dx square is greater than 0, then we will call it stable equilibrium, and if df by dx is less than 0, then also we will call it stable equilibrium, and for the less than case we will call it unstable, and if df by dx greater than 0, we will call it unstable equilibrium. Now let's look at a simple example. There is this track, okay, this track, and the ball is placed at three locations, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so here notice, if at 1 the particle is given a slight touch, the particle will go down, right? The particle will go down. So this equilibrium is unstable equilibrium. Okay, why? Because a slightest of touch can disturb the whole particle's position. Okay, and now let's come to number 2. Okay, if it's given a slight touch, it will go up and then again come down. Again this, it will do a periodic motion. So it will be in a stable equilibrium. Okay, it will be in a stable equilibrium. It is not completely destroying the position of the particle. Whereas at number 3, if we touch it slightly, it will slightly move and then may stop or continue to move. So it will hardly change the position of the ball. Okay, so it is in neutral equilibrium. Okay, so now let's study the graphs. Okay, so if in ux graphs, okay, the potential energy versus position graphs. Okay, so first we have to find the points where the slope is 0. Okay, very important. First the points of equilibrium will be given where the slope of the ux curve is 0. Okay, so now we need to check the curvature. If there is 0 curvature, then it is a point of neutral equilibrium. If it is upward curvature like this, then it is a point of stable equilibrium. At upward curvature, d2y by dx square is greater than 0. So that is why it is a point of stable equilibrium. And if it is a downward curvature like this, then it is a point of unstable equilibrium. Why? Because at downward curvature, d2y by dx square is less than 0. Okay, so now apply the same for fx graphs. If the force versus position graphs are given, then how to find the points of equilibriums and their nature. So first we need to find the points where the graph cuts the x-axis, because that is the point where f is 0. Okay, so then we need to check the slope. If the slope is 0, then it is a neutral equilibrium. If it is less than 0, it is stable equilibrium. If it is greater than 0, then it is unstable equilibrium. I hope this is clear. In the next videos we will discuss problems regarding based on equilibrium, energy and forces. Thank you.